So today we bought a portable electric pressure washer kit. So we're doing the unboxing of this. I just got it yesterday. So let's do that. So it is a 1900 max PSI 1.2 GPM pressure washer kit. So PSI is your pounds per square inch, and the GPM is gallons per minute. So it comes with a 20-foot hose, and it includes the soap applicator, this bottle, and it has a trigger handle and a spray wand. It has one turbo nozzle, 11-inch surface cleaner. So it's like that when you are actually trying to clean the surface, you can connect and this is gonna clean the surface. Included in this 35-foot power cord with GFCI. So GFCI helps you if there is a power fluctuation and then it disconnects, it shuts off the machine. And this comes with the 3-year warranty. So let's see what's in this. That's the booklet of this. It has the instructions, how this works, all the instructions. Okay, it has some kind of key which we will know what is the purpose of this. Let's see if I can read it. If a nozzle becomes blocked, insert the nozzle cleaner into the... Okay, so it is for cleaning the nozzle. Maybe your nozzle, the turbo nozzle of 40 degree or 25 degree, whichever. If that gets blocked, you can use that pin. Okay, this is to register the product, and you can win $500 gift card. Okay, let's remove it all. This is one of the nozzle. This is your soap applicator. That's the trigger for the pressure wash. Okay, that's here. Here you have a surface cleaning kit. So you can see it's here at the bottom, and you connect your nozzles here. Maybe the hose. Okay, and that's another nozzle. This is the 20-foot hose, and that's the actual pressure wash. That comes with a 35-foot power cord. So I'm gonna try this. I'm thinking of cleaning my fence in my backyard. Now we are outside trying to use it, so I'll show you how to assemble this. We saw these are the nozzles, so 40 degrees, 25 degrees, and the turbo nozzle, and that's the hose. So let's plug it in. So this just goes, you don't have to like screw and unscrew, it just goes and lock it in. That's how it works. So it has been locked. And we're gonna use the 40 degree nozzle first. So this is 40 degree nozzle. So it's written here, but it's really small, so it's hard to see. And how you put the nozzle in, this is something you can just pull it back, and then the nozzle will fit. So I'm gonna go like this, and then the nozzle is good. Pressure washer, you see this is the inlet. So this is where your house hose will go in, and this size on the other side of that, that's the outlet of your this pipe, the pressure wash pipe hose, the one which comes with it. Put it in here, and this goes like, you push it and then you screw it like that. So that's the portion where you're gonna put this in here. So how you do it, you have to press it, and then you screw it. Now it's been screwed. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna put the inlet pipe in this. So it goes here and then just goes like this. So it's good. So this is your inlet pipe from the back of the pressure wash. That's the outlet, the pressure wash pipe, and that goes to the pressure washer gun, that gun, and your extension is there, and that's your nozzle. And then you have power on and off. The power, when this is on, there is a green light on, so you know, okay, this is on. And when you want to off it, then it's off. Before I plug it in, I'm gonna turn on the water and see how the water is going. So my water is on now. So I have not connected the power nozzle yet, I'm just trying to see how the water is flowing without any pressure. So it's going like this. So it's without any pressure. Now, okay, so now it's off. I'm gonna now connect the extension, and that's my 40-degree nozzle. Okay, now it's connected, and let's see the pressure. This is 40-degree nozzle. Pretty good pressure. So we'll try it on our fans. The good thing about pressure wash gun is that it has a lock. So if you don't want accidentally to turn on or off, you just lock it, and then you cannot press it accidentally or knowingly. So now unlock it, and then I'm going to use this here. Now I'm going to use the power nozzle. Yeah, I think it's good. So let's try this one. Okay, you will see the difference now between the 40-degree and the power nozzle. So you can see the difference, how those things were cleaned up by the 40-degree nozzle, and this is the power nozzle, how that works. So I will give it a thumbs up. It's a nice pressure washer for home use. So thank you for watching the video. If you want to watch more such videos, I'm gonna put another video of a dethatcher I'm gonna use, and scarifier and aerator, those kind of things. Subscribe to this channel.